Listen, babe.
This is sausage.
Cooking what?
Garlic.
Hey, it looks like you're eating. Is this the chicken feet I bought you?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks bloody weird.
This is spicy, no? Spicy. Ketchup dun.
Alright, so we're at a 3 on a manual setting. I got it right where I would hold the camera, about 1 foot away. The microphone is pointed at me. Okay, folks, introducing Chef Maria. Show us what you got, Chef. What'd you make?
Pancake chili.
Okay, alright. Grab the tray, bring it over here. Oh no, Chef Maria. Oh no. You're so funny, sweetie. Showcase your biscuit.
Kamar ko. So cold in here in my room. Oh my gosh, market up. Oh, mama get. Just wait. Wait, it's hot, huh? Yeah, it's hot. We look like we're homeless in here. It's hot, I told you, it's hot. Oh, my God. You cannot wait eh.
What kind of meatloaf is that?
That one in there, oh. The Argentina. Oh, God. Yeah. So cold eh.
Why you didn't eat my chicken soup?
Yeah, I don't like chicken soup. It smells like a goat.
I mean, butter does not smell like a goat.
Yeah, smell like goat. Smell like goat and taste like a goat.
What are you watching, Maria?
Did you see our position in here? We look like we're big in here. You cannot wait kasi. See? You don't want to wait. I told you it's hot. Learn.
You're not going to win Parent of the Year for that.
You don't want to wait. Oh. After he learned, you know that it's hot.
Honey, that don't look like any meatloaf I've ever ate.
Nah.
Is it good?
Yeah. 4G like it eh.
It's like a meatloaf, son?
You need to wait kasi. It's hot. Blow. See, do like this. Blow. Nah.
Maria, are you gonna eat some meatloaf?
Where?
Mommy's got meatloaf over there.
Want to do it?
You like the meatloaf? Hey, that little homeless over there.
Go, go, go.
Get him, honey. That one's broken, buddy. You can't go up that one. Whoa, whoa, dude.
Si ate. May ko siya matapos.
Yay! There you go. Climb with brother. Oh, it's broken? Oh no. Go back this way, Buddy Row. Hold on with both hands. You can do it. There you go. Yay! Hold on tight. Hold on tight. 2 hands. Get 2 hands. There you go. Now pull yourself up. There you go. Good job, sweetie. Can you do one more? Or you want Papa to get you? 2 hands, sweetie. 2 hands. Come on, get a grip. 2 hands. There you go. Good job, Maria. Watch her, Mama. She got 1 more to go.
Come on, Forest G.
Come down here. Whoa! Go, son. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, let's go. Go with sister. Just follow sister, buddy. There you go, son. Good job, man. On Hotel Skyview Cafe. looks really nice up there. Mom's pissed, so I got her some chicken feet. Oh yeah. It's getting me back on track. Husband of the year.